This is my artwork, Calle Crisologo. Calle Crisologo is a picturesque street in Vigan, Ilocos Sur that dates back to the Spanish colonial era. It is known for its well-preserved and charming architecture that gives visitors a glimpse of Vigan's rich history and heritage. But beyond its beauty, Calle Crisologo holds an intriguing story that connects it to Vigan's Spanish colonial past and the Filipino Revolution.
San Sebastian Church was completed in 1891. San Sebastian Church is noted for its architecture, an example of Gothic Revival architecture in the Philippines. It is the only still building church in the Philippines. It was designated as a National Historical Landmark in 1973 and as a National Cultural Treasure in 2011.
Tumawini Church. Tumawini Church is a Baroque church that was built in 1873 and can be found in municipality of Tumawini, Isabela. The structure was built entirely of red bricks and done in the style of late Baroque or early Rococo.
The San Andres Apostle Parish Church, commonly referred to as Candaba Church, is a 7th century Baroque church located at Barangay Pescadores, Candaba, Pampanga, Philippines. The parish church dedicated to Saint Andrew the Apostle is under the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of San Fernando.
The St. Augustine Parish Church, commonly known as Bantay Church, is a Roman Catholic church in Bantay, Ilocos Sur in the Philippines. The church was dedicated to St. Augustine of Hippo. It houses the venerated image of Our Lady of Charity.
The St. Dominic Parish Church, also known as Abukay Church, is a 17th century Baroque church located at Barangay Laon, Abukay, Bataan, Philippines. The parish church, established in 1587 and administered by the Dominican Missionary Friars in 1588, is dedicated to Saint Dominic of Guzman.